So for this video we'll be learning how to do a rope braid. It's actually pretty simple, but not as many people do it. I usually like to have my hair in a ponytail when I do a rope braid, so we'll start with that. So you don't have to put your hair in a ponytail. I just like how it looks a bit better. So here we go. Now that we've got our hair in a ponytail, you're going to split it into two sections. And each section you're going to twist. And you want to twist them in the same way. So right now I'm twisting both of mine clockwise. So once you're done twisting them, whichever way that you twisted them, so I did clockwise, you want to twist them together in the opposite way. So if I twisted them clockwise, that means I want to bring them together counterclockwise. And as you're going, you might have to keep twisting those ends a bit more. So you keep twisting clockwise and then twisting them together counterclockwise. The reason why you want to twist them together in the opposite way is that once you tie them off, they don't untwist. So you put your hair tie at the bottom like so. And there's your rope braid. As you can see, my hair is straight and very stubborn, so I get these pieces that stick straight out when I do the rope braid. So one way to prevent this is to get your hair wet. Before doing the twists to help it stay together, or you can use hairspray. My hair is very stubborn, so it doesn't always react well to hairspray, but water usually does the trick. So once again, we're just going to divide it into two pretty equal parts. We're going to twist each of those parts clockwise, and then twist them together counterclockwise. And any more flyaways you have left, you can just hairspray and stick in. So there we go. That's the rope braid.